Hey, what's up, YouTube? Very excited about this one. This is kind of off topic from the channel. Usually we do alarms and sirens on this channel, but we're going to be doing something new. We're going to be installing this Ring Floodlight Cam Pro. It's not battery powered. It is hardwired. It is going to replace one of our lights outside of the front of the house. Now, I do know electricity, but I do not know how to install these. This is my first time. So we're going to learn together how to install this thing, so I will be making a few mistakes probably, but that's okay. Without further ado, I think we should get to unboxing. I'll do this one-handed, so wish me luck. I'm gonna pause the video here. So it looks like we have to pull this out. Forgot to hit record and then I accidentally stopped the video. Here are the accessories. We're gonna pull out the main device first. See if I can do this. I cannot do that one-handed. I really need to invest in a tripod, but here it is. We're gonna wait to take the film off once we're done installing the device. These ends here, the light, are actually metal, which is extremely cool. Now, we can check out the accessories. This is your screwdriver, your Phillips head screwdriver. I don't think we're gonna be needing this. And it looks like it also has a flat head. And just so I don't lose anything, we're gonna put it back. It's probably the other way. And then we got this setup guide, important product information, and this sticker. And looks like we have a tab here. I'm gonna do my best not damaging this, even though I'm not gonna really use this box ever again. Now what is in here? Well, it's most likely our hardware. Yep, it is. So we have our connectors, aka wire nuts. I'm not sure what those are. All of our screws and bolts, and this, I imagine this is a mounting bracket. Again, I will be making mistakes in this video because this is my first time even messing with a camera floodlight, so we'll figure it out together. But now, I think it's time to go and set this up. And I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of hard to record all this. We have the faceplate up. Now the fun part is connecting the new wires to the old ones. Oh my god, it's working. It's getting set up right now. And we are done. Look at that. And it looks really nice. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm really sorry I couldn't show pictures of the setup. I know we said we'd learn together, and then I realized I don't have a tripod and I can definitely not do this one-handed. But have a good day and bye.